Hello and welcome viewers. In this video we will see how we can Wheel of Names website for doing the retrospection call in a fun way. This is one of the very good websites and features I have found which we can use for team which is far more silent and nobody wants to speak, so this is a good way to let them speak. I'll start with how we have to do it. So when you go to the website, it will be a blank wheel. You can give the names, or you can take any name from the website for trial purpose. It will provide you. So from here you can add any name, like this is Ali. I can say Muhammad, and we can edit the name. I'll put it back to Ali. So this is how you will edit the names. So let us suppose Ali, Beatrice, Charles, Dia, Eric, Gabriel, Fatima are the team players, and none of them wants to speak, which is a case in the retrospection. We have seen it. It might be a case in your team as well. What you will do, you will ask them to spin, or you may spin, and once you spin it, it will stop onto any of the name. So here we get Beatrice. Oh, it's now going to charge. So this message comes, go ahead, take the stage. This message can be edited by going on the customize the screen, so you can choose from all the options. So it was some another message which says winner, but I have changed it to go ahead and take the stage for speaking. So now people may say that what they have to speak. So I have gone ahead and changed some points here which says word for the sprint, what they feel about it's a positive or negative sprint learning, if they have any improvement point, any appreciation they wanted to do for the mentors or the buddy up person who has, or help them, any acknowledgement they wanted to have for any point, then any best practice they wanted to share and suggestion. So let us say Charles has to speak now as per the wheel of names what we have got it from the wheel, and now any suggestion he can provide. So here what we can do, if they do not wanted to take this particular point, we can go ahead and spin it again. So you can give one chance or two chance for anyone, and there is one more catch here. Once Ali or Charles done speaking, when you will click and you will spin the wheel, it will give you option of either you can go ahead or close it, or you can remove. So if you remove it, Ali will be removed from the wheel, so by that there will be no repetition. Or else what you can do, you can customize it, and then you can choose from the option during spin, after spin, auto remove winner after 5 seconds it will be auto removed. So it depends on how you want to customize. I hope that brings a lot of fun into your retrospection calls, which will be good in terms of bringing synergy into team, and I hope that helps you. Thank you for watching the video.